Hello to all of our customers. I wanted to give you an update on the COVID-19 and how our supplies are and concerns that you may have as a customer. As of right now, we are doing very well on our stock. I've talked to a lot of our manufacturers and they are committed to keeping us stocked. Now, as a lot of redistribution channels are starting to dry out, it puts us in a really good position because we do a lot of direct buying. So what this means to you is that we should be able to take care of you. We should be able to maintain our levels. They are not taking on new customers, manufacturers aren't. So they are also telling us that we should not take on new customers, which gives us our commitment to the ones that we have. We want to take care of you guys first. We might be able to handle some new customers, and with that may come a commitment letter. We can't just supply you with toilet paper on a one-time sale, but with a commitment letter, which is what our manufacturer is asking, then we can take care of you now and in moving forward in the future. Hand sanitizer, wipes, our phone's been ringing off the hook. Email us, call us, feel free, but the answer on that is they are not available and probably not going to be available for some short time. Not for the fact that they're not being produced, but the fact that they're being mandated. Clorox and other companies with these products are being mandated by the government to take care of healthcare facilities first. So that is the main reason on not having that. Redistribution and distribution channels on that is probably going to be more the last chain to get fulfilled on that. All of our orders are going out in a very timely manner. We have been extremely busy. We have some delays, 1-2 days on freight coming in as everybody's running around a little crazy right now. But I want to let you know that freight is doing well and things are going out with very, very few minor delays. We're fulfilling outside of hand sanitizer and Clorox, we're still fulfilling probably 95% of our orders, which I think is superior. Restaurants I know are getting hit pretty hard. They are doing carryouts. We are loading up on 40, 50 plus to-go containers. As we know, carryouts are going to be extremely heavy, and there are starting to be some shortages due to the fact that cities have already been implementing these things and they have been buying to-go containers way before we started. So restaurants, as you listen to this, you might want to think about your to-go container situation and starting to get some on order, as we will be stocked hopefully as much as we can. We will be tightening up on our terms a little bit. We need to keep factories in 30 days as we're bringing in a lot of inventory to take care of you. We need prompt payments. So if you're past 30 days, then we can and might put your orders on hold. So please talk to your accounts payable that we do have to tighten up on our terms. Restaurants, again, COD, a lot of them already are, and at the latest, net 15 on you. We appreciate all your business, and we will all get through this. I can promise you we are doing everything we can to keep your operation running smoothly with no hiccups. Reach out to us on other things that you're having problems. We just sold a lot of safety glasses this week as Granger and some of those people are really drying up on those items. Let us know how we can help, and we will do everything in our power to do it. Thank you, and have a great day.